next purchase is going to be a drone at the DJI store. This is the Mini 2? Yeah. So 7 million?
Yes.
Okay. Is that good price? Yeah. Is there any discounts? You have the balloons for discount? No?
No.
What about tourist discounts?
Yeah.
Tourist? Oh, I wasn't actually expecting to get a yes there, but... So basically, this is the drone that I'm getting. Obviously it has the camera on there, shoots 4K, and then you control it on the controller here, connects to your phone so you can just watch it from here. That's probably not what it will look like, but I don't know why they've got that photo, because I don't think the drone is going to be like that, but... Hello, sir. Just wondering about the Mini 2. You have the Mini 3 as well, or...?
Mini 3 Pro.
Mini 3 Pro?
Yeah, we have.
And how much is that one?
14.7 million for RC.
And this one is 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
This for Mini 2.
Yeah, Mini 2, Mini 2. Okay. Okay, I think I'll get this one. Mini 2.
Mini 2.
Yeah. You can do any discounts or no? Okay.
The normal price.
You can't bargain at these stores. Okay, perfect. Is there like a warranty or anything?
Warranty, we have warranty.
Oh, whoa, look at this.
1 year.
Wow. Oh, look, it's me. Whoa. Oh my god.
Click once, you can follow me. Yeah.
No way. Oh wow. It's a robot. The robots are taking over. Oh my god. Wow. I want one of these. Then I never have to vlog it. I can just hold it up and it'll just follow me. If I crash it now, do I get my money back?
No.
Okay, flight number 1. Here we go. Ready? Whoa! Wow, look at this. You want to be careful of the top of the balloon. I can go and fly in here?
Cannot.
Okay. Wow. This is the future, guys. Here it is. Siapa namamu?
My name is Alfian.
Alfian. Nice.
This for the basic and this for the combo.
Oh.
Yeah, for the combo you get 3 battery.
He's trying to upsell me.
Bag and charging hub. But
what's the
for this,
difference in price?
Only one battery.
So basically, it's like $150 difference between this, and the only thing that this has is 2 extra batteries. So I think we're gonna go for this. It's so small, like this is literally the size of my hand. And if we need to get batteries in the future, we'll get batteries.
The price is 2.2 million.
Difference. You can give any discount?
Because for different for the price for one battery is 1.7 million.
Ah, okay.
2 battery is 3 million, but you get plus 2 battery, bag and charging hub and propeller.
You're really convincing me, boss. No, I think we'll stick with this one. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Alfia. Goodbye.